Okay, we are live. I've got a crooked camera though here. It's dirty, so let's try this. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Hey guys, it's Abby from Kitchen Giggles here, and I've got Charlotte and Celeste. Today our topic is all hands on deck. So we're focusing on the vegetable peeler. If you recall, the 7 essential utensils for kids in the kitchen, one of them is a vegetable peeler. So please don't play with the knives. We have 2 vegetable peelers here. We have one by Good Cook. You can find a link for this on my website. And then we have an old, what the kids call an old rusty one. This is my preference. This is the kids' preference. This one is much easier for them to hold. And this one, it's much more difficult for them to know which is the cutting side. So today, when we talk about the all hands on deck, what the kids are going to do is, I have a variety of different foods that need peeling here. And so they're going to share with you how they peel the different food. We have carrots and potatoes and small oranges and big oranges and apples and kiwis and hard-boiled eggs. This is all something that your kids can do to help you get ready for dinner, whether it's peeling for a salad or peeling for snack. So what the kids are going to do today is peel the food that they're interested in and talk about it as they're doing it, and then they're going to have it for snack. So all hands on deck, ladies. The floor is yours. Tell us what you're going to do. You're going to crack an egg? You hope it's hard-boiled. Look at that. You got an apple you're peeling. I'll move this for safety.
I'm not sure. No. Everybody's home. You hard boil.
Were you concerned I didn't hard boil it? So one thing to note is hard-boiled eggs can be really tricky. These eggs came from our chickens today, and so they will be harder to peel. The older the egg is, the easier it is to peel. So keep that in mind. If you have littles that love hard-boiled eggs, let them sit for a few days, or if you get them from the grocery store, they will probably peel just fine. You don't have to peel this one if it's not peeling well. Go ahead and grab something different if this is not working out the way you expected. So something else to consider is peeling can be a really difficult thing depending on what the food is and the age of the child. If you have a child that gets frustrated, like Charlotte did with the egg, no need for them to do it. They can do the next thing. So what Charlotte just found was she didn't care for that apple, for that peeler, the old rusty peeler with that apple. So maybe when Celeste is done, she can share the peeler. She's doing a great job peeling that apple, and she can even slice it up for snack if she wants.
Potato.
Maybe you can peel an orange with your hands while you're waiting for the peeler.
No, potato.
Okay, there you go. No, thank you. We don't use knives to peel oranges.
Use fingers.
Good.
Mommy tries sometimes.
You can do it. What are you going to do with that? Is that the proper way to use a knife?
Just got a little slit.
You're going to give it a little slit. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. Awesome, Celeste. Looks like you're ready to slice your apple. Would you like me to cut it in half first, or you got
I
it?
want this cut off.
I can help you cut that off.
Here.
Charlotte, the peeler's ready for you. Would you like me to slice it in half so it's easier
I
to...
want the bottom cut.
You want the bottom cut? What do you mean?
The bottom cut out how the front was, please.
Like this?
How did Sissy peel the apples so well?
Okay. There you go. Now you're going to slice it in pieces, or you want to just save this for snack? And work on a
I want
different...
to cut off the top.
You want to cut off the top, too?
Now always...
Nope. That's not proper knife technique. Remember? To put it on not wobbly and use the claw.
A sharp noise.
There you go. Good Good job.
Yeah.
Now what are you going to do with it? Can I help you with this when the video is done? We'll cut the middle out. Okay, what is it you want to peel now?
Yeah.
You're working on an egg? Okay.
Can you
Keep going.
Oh, I missed that.
Ooh, you got that peel off. Whoopsie. It's because it's a fresh egg.
Who's watching this? Dad? Because they're the same level. One with the egg.
Yay!
How is Sissy so good at peeling this?
Her egg just peeled easier. Your egg was harder to peel. You're welcome to try again if you'd like.
I'll probably try at the end of the video.
Okay.
Did someone just come out from the shop?
No.
Oh, probably the wind.
Maybe. Awesome. You can put that on your plate for snack.
This thing's so hard to peel.
What's the next thing you're going to peel? Ooh, a carrot. Good job.
That was actually good for peeling.
Yep, that one's working well.
Now, flip it around and do that.
Good teamwork. Are you going to cut your carrot up or are you just going to leave it whole? Remember the claw, please. If you need help, remember to ask for help too. Okay, slow down, slow down. The claw, there you go. Good job. That's not proper knife technique,
That's how
please.
you do it.
That's how I do it because I've had lots of practice. Why don't we save this for after the video? And
I want to cut this off.
you want to cut the top off too? Okay. Anything else you want to slice up, Celeste? That's not the claw, babe.
No.
That's all you want? You don't want to show peeling a potato or an orange or anything else? You're good? Okay. And how about you, Charlotte? That's not how we use a knife, sweetheart. Okay, put it on your plate then. Are you all done? Are you all done?
No.
What else do you want to peel?
Yeah.
Carrot.
Orange?
You can do an orange. Now what'd you help Sissy do? Flip it around and do the other side?
Don't it up. I won't eat this side.
You don't want to eat that side? Okay. Would you like to cut it right here? Claw, please. Okay, we can save that.
Save that for a chicky.
That's not how you use your knife. Please use safety first. There you go. Slide your fingers back. Now, I'll help you toward the end so you don't hurt yourself, okay? There you go. Are you all done, Celeste?
Mm-hmm.
And are you all done, Charlotte?
No.
No, not yet. Okay, what else do you want to peel?
Are you done, Sissy?
You're done? Okay, would you guys like to take your stuff and go have a snack?
Can you peel cut my apple?
I will cut your apple in just a second.
Can you please
Go ahead and set the table. I'll be over in a moment.
Oh
Yes.
my God, boy.
I will. Go ahead and take this and have a snack. Okay, so there you go. That was a quick lesson about all hands on deck. You will notice that there is some stuff here that the kids didn't want to peel. And so I intentionally gave them a wide variety because I was curious what they would choose. I was fairly confident they would not choose potatoes. It always comes to mind that potatoes are something really great we can have our kids peel. They are the first thing in my house to make kids frustrated and angry because they are really actually kind of difficult. Even with a great peeler like this, they don't slice easily or peel easily because there's so many bumps and lumps and dimples. So know that potatoes probably aren't a great thing to start with. Kiwis also peel really beautifully with a vegetable peeler, but once they get about half of it done, they're very slippery, and that drives the kids crazy too. And so one of the things I always work on is what do I need to do to avoid frustration? Because frustration is the first way to have a kitchen explosion. And with all of us at home, as much as we are these days, the last thing we want is an explosion in the kitchen. We've probably got enough of them going on as it is. So kiwis are a great thing if the kids have enough dexterity to hold onto it once the sliminess starts. The other option is you can cut it in half and just eat it out with a spoon. My kids don't like that though. They prefer for me to peel them. So I actually use a paring knife when I peel these. And then the big oranges. These just irritate the kids and frustrate them to death because they're so challenging to get that first peel started, and then their fingers get gooey and sticky. So it's really a challenge for them at times. So 9 times out of 10, my little ones will pick up the small clementines. They like these, but they don't eat them unless I peel them. So that is a quick summary of all hands on deck, things you can peel with kids. A great sturdy vegetable peeler is the key to this, and a cutting board too. If you feel comfortable with your kids using a knife, absolutely have them do it. Next week I have knife progression on as one of our topics. So we'll be talking about how do we safely get the kids moving from a crinkle cutter up to a knife. And this is one of my very good knives, and Charlotte typically does a fairly good job with it. We are a little bit bouncy today, so I was a little bit more hands-on than I would normally be. But that is all hands on deck. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you soon.
Turn off.